Hello viewers, today we are going to show you how to clean air mass flow sensor or oxygen sensor of 2012 Corolla and onwards model. So first of all, we have to unplug this wire. So this is how we will unplug it, and then we will unscrew the sensor. So guys, this is the Denso oxygen sensor for 2012 Corolla models. So we have to clean these steel wires which is located here and inside of this sensor. We will clean this sensor with the help of this cleaner. This is safe for all oxygen sensors as well as for fuel injector throttle plates. So now we will clean it with the help of this sensor, with the help of this cleaner. So guys, now we are going to spray the steel wires. So this is how we will do this. We have to thoroughly clean it. After cleaning, we will have to put it on a side for 15 to 20 minutes for drying it, and after it gets dry, we will plug it again. So guys, now it is thoroughly cleaned and dried, and now we will going to plug it back again. So guys, this is how you will screw it back again. And you will plug the wire back into this. So guys, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and share it. Thanks for watching.